Hello, my name is Jeremy Zaire from SpraySync, and today I'm going to walk through our TeeJet 744A-3 integration. We have a few components to this, so I'll explain each piece as far as it fits into the SpraySync system. The sprayer controller here is the 744A-3 from TeeJet. It's got a 3-boom control, a left, a center, and a right. And it's got a master switch on or off and a pressure adjust. So a typical operation within the sprayer, you would turn the master on, and then you've got your left, center, and right booms that you would toggle, and you'll see the light on there. So that sprayer controller, we connect up to the SpraySync WT1 monitor box using a custom wiring harness that we built to make the integration real easy for our customers. Oftentimes we'll just send out a wiring harness. I've got a view in back of the console here showing what the wiring harness looks like. So normally this is the TeeJet provided harness. This would normally plug right into the back. And what we ship is just a little inline harness, so we can you just unplug the existing one. You plug, we've got the same plug on this side, we've got the female plug on that side, so then they just mate back up. So it's as simple as disconnecting the old one, snap, snap, and you're in. And what this is a little pigtail out that goes into our SpraySync WT1 monitor box. So we're tapping into the signals that are going out to either the solenoid or the ball valves, whatever cabling or whatever valves you have. It works with either one. The same cable, we can send the same harness out to either one. And then the pigtail goes off and plugs directly into the SpraySync WT1 monitor box. I've gone ahead and tilted our SpraySync WT1 monitor box up on the side so you can kind of see it a little bit better. The input on the top there is our 12-pin connector. So that's where the signals from the TeeJet 744A-3 wiring harness come in. On the bottom, this cable right here is the USB cable, and that is our interface that goes to the tablet mount, and that's how the data logging happens with the tablet, and that we can send up and sync up to the cloud. We have, you can see we have mounting flanges on there, and those can be convenient to mount, either screwing it onto the bottom of the vehicle, the sprayer, or zip tying it, or we even have a pull mount kit if that's a good spot to put it in. The USB cable from the WT1 monitor box just comes and plugs in to one of a couple different tablet mounts that we sell, but just plugs in right through there. The tablet mount is designed with this Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 3. It's a rugged tablet, and both tablet mounts that we offer have this is just a cigarette lighter to charge, so it charges through a dock in the bottom, and then our USB goes in on the right side. And actually, it's the USB that actually powers the box, so there's no separate power to the monitor box. It all is actually powered through this mount. So basically, the tablet is powered from the cigarette lighter, and then the tablet powers the WT1 box. Now I'm going to show how it looks like when you spray. So what we have here, I actually already have the TeeJet 744A-3 vehicle selected. There's a little tractor icon in the top right that you can select the vehicle. And I already have that configured. The vehicle switch config link in the top left menu. So this is showing how I've mapped the switches. So the switch 1 is the R on the TeeJet 744A-3. The switch 2 is the center, and switch 3 is the left. So I have these configured within the application to do the same thing. So the switch 1 is for the right, and what that's showing, it says from 5 to 15. That's in relation to the GPS. So that's saying the spray pattern starts at 5 feet to the right of the GPS and goes all the way out to 15 feet. So that's actually a 10-foot swath. So similarly, I just designed this so that each nozzle, kind of fake nozzle in our system, has a 10-foot swath width. So switch 1 is 10 feet off to the right. Switch 2, that's the center, is 10 feet in the center. So 5 feet to the right and 5 feet to the left. That's what the negative is for, is sort of to the left of the GPS. That's kind of the 0 point. And then the left is from minus 15 to minus 5, which is again 10 feet. So what I'm going to show, I'm going to go back to the screen, and I'm going to try and call out as I toggle the switches. But so I'm going to turn all of the booms off for now. I'm going to turn the master on, and nothing will show because I haven't actually sprayed anything yet. I don't have any of the booms on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the right toggle on. And so you'll see that will draw to the right. I'm going to keep the right on, I'm going to toggle the center. And that will draw in the middle to that center 10-foot swath. And if I hit the left, it'll toggle the left. And I can toggle whichever one's off. I'll toggle the right off. And then if I toggle the master off, they both go off. So, we're looking at the signals that go out to the valves to determine when we track. So we're watching the same things that determine whether the chemical comes out or not. So I can turn them all on here, and then turn the master on, they'll all show. I can turn the left off, center off, and right off. And that's how it works. There's not too much else to it than that, from just kind of discussing the TeeJet 744A-3 integration that we do.